In this video, we want to look at some of the angle conversions that we did in the last video and just try to make some sense of them or think of them a little bit differently. Let's look at this one. 2/3 of a revolution is 4 pi over 3 radians. If we know our circle well enough, right, then we can handle this problem without doing any sort of multiplication by radians over revolutions. Because 2/3 of a revolution, well, a full trip around the circle is 360 degrees. So I want to go 240 degrees to get around that circle, to get around 2/3 of that circle. Right? And if we know our circle well enough, we know that 240 degrees is 4 pi over 3 radians. Right? We can also think in terms of thirds, if that's easier for us. A third of a circle is 120 degrees, right? Or a third of 2 pi radians is 2 pi over 3 radians. And I'm just going to add another 120 degrees. In other words, I'm going to add another 2 pi over 3 to get to 4 pi over 3. So if we know our circle well enough, we can think through this problem without multiplying by some conversion ratio. Negative 1/3 of a revolution is negative 120 degrees. I think that's pretty clear because a revolution is 360 degrees and 1/3 of that is 120. So there we have a negative 120 degree rotation. Similarly, 60 degrees, that is certainly 1/6 of the trip around the circle. So it is 1/6 of a revolution. So let's take a look at this last guy. 3 pi over 4 is another special angle on our circle. We should know that it is sitting up there. And if we think in terms of pi over 4, then 4 pi over 4 gets me here. Another 4 pi over 4 gets me all the way around the circle. Right? So if I'm stopping here, I've used 3 out of 8 of them. Right? So in other words, 3/8 of a revolution.